Welcome to Jubal's tutorial video on how to post a job on our platform. In this video, we will guide you through the process step by step to help you attract qualified candidates to your job openings. Let's get started. Firstly, please read the rules in the article Registration and Job Posting Rules before you post a job. Log in to your account using the For Employer button in the top right corner of the page and then click on the Login button. Find and click on the Post a Job button in the top right corner of the page. Start by entering the job title in the provided field. Make sure to choose a clear and descriptive title. Next, select the location where the job is based. You can choose a specific city, state, or even another country. Now, it's time to write a compelling job description. You can also add additional information, such as required skills, experience level, and any specific requirements. Don't forget to specify the desired salary range to attract candidates within your budget. Once you have filled in all the necessary information, review your job posting to ensure its accuracy. Finally, click the Publish button to post your job and choose the type of promotion, regular, or premium. Congratulations! You have successfully posted a job on Jubal. Upon successful moderation, your job posting will now be visible to our job seekers. If you have any questions or need assistance, our dedicated support team is always ready to help. Simply reach out to us through the contact information provided on the website. We wish you success in finding the perfect candidates for your vacancies. Thank you for watching this tutorial video on how to post a job on Jubal. Happy hiring!